In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your personal Facebook account into a page that people can follow. So if the 5,000 friend limit is too small for you and you are receiving a lot of friend requests, the best thing to do is to switch to professional mode. When you switch to professional mode, more people will be able to start following you without you having to open a new account or a new page. So to convert your personal account into a page that people can follow, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. To get started, just head over to your profile icon on top here and then tap on it to open. Under this, go ahead and tap on your name. And now here, you'll be able to see your profile. Under this, tap on these ellipses or three dots here. And now this will open your profile settings. Under this, if you scroll down, now you can see we have this option called Turn on Professional Mode. And this is the feature we are going to use to turn this personal Facebook account into a page that people can start following. So go ahead and tap on it. And under this, you see Turn on Professional Mode. Go ahead and tap on Turn On. And now tap on Next and then Next. And now here you have to choose your default audience. So if you want more people to go ahead and follow your page and be able to see what you're sharing, you can just go ahead and tap on Public. This is the best so as to reach a wider audience. And then go ahead and tap on Next. And then confirm your choice by tapping on Confirm. And look at that, your default audience on Facebook has been updated to public. Great, so proceed again. Now this will take us to monetization tools. So don't worry, you'll not monetize your page at this time if you don't want or if you don't qualify. Just proceed and tap on Next and then Next. And here we have an option to skip this. And now we are told go to Professional Dashboard. As you can see, congrats, you are ready to start using professional mode. So my personal Facebook account has now been turned to professional mode. If I tap to go to Professional Dashboard, you will be able to monitor your challenges and your achievements here. Now, if we go back to our profile, now look here, this was the original profile. I only had 5 friends and these were from friend requests that I had, but we like to see this as a page. So if I go ahead and refresh, now look at the change. It has turned now into followers. Now I have 8 followers and 61 following. And look at the account, it is a professional account. That's why I have a professional dashboard here. So from now henceforth, people will only need to follow you without having to send a friend request. So that's how you turn your personal Facebook account into a page that people can follow. If you found this helpful, please like this video and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.